So I went and explored a little bit. I got back and decided that I'm going to pull up camp here and move about 30 minutes to an hour down the dirt road here. Found a campsite on Google Maps and a couple of backup campsites on a couple of other apps. So the plan is to come out here to explore, and that's what I'm gonna do. I've explored this little area. It's absolutely beautiful. You know, probably have it all to myself now, but with it being Monday, I'm hopeful that these other places will be not very crowded, so I can get a nice spot. Hopefully, let me catch my breath here. Hopefully near a river or a creek so that I can do some fly fishing. So I brought my fly rod. Definitely gonna get a Colorado fishing license, obviously, because I think it's like a $200 or $300 fine. If I don't get one, it's only like 30, 40 bucks to get a trip license. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna get the last few things buttoned up around the awning, get the trailer hooked up, and head on down the road. See y'all here in a bit. I'm hiking I think it's Pedra Trail to the ice fissures. So I'm walking a kind of a short 2.5 mile trail. I'm already out of breath because of this altitude, and I'm out of shape. That's not an excuse. So, I'm gonna walk this trail, get a nice little hike in, and then I picked out a really good campsite. The campsites that were supposed to be around here are not, and they're not free, so it's only a day use area. So we're gonna go through Durango and head up into the San Juan National Forest. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say maybe these are the ice fissures, at least part of them. Stay back from there, buddy. Yeah, that goes a long ways down there. Get back, buddy. Crazy dog. He doesn't understand heights or cliffs or anything like that, so he has no fear. So it's kind of not a good thing. Get back. Oh yeah, can't even hardly see the bottom down there. I'm too scared to get close to it. I wonder how many people have been right there on the edge. I can tell you one thing, that's not for me. How does this exist? I mean, I get it, you know, the tectonic plates and erosion and stuff like that, but like, just breathtaking. Because right down there we got a big giant valley, and up there we got that. Oh, and I forgot what was behind me. I mean, so made it to Cunningham Gulch. I don't have the energy to cook a full meal, so it's Hormel chili on the grill tonight. Sure is chilly this morning, but how can you beat that view? Absolutely gorgeous. And this is a free campsite. So I feel like I've been running around, running ragged for the past 4 days, so I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna do some editing, offload some SD cards, maybe explore around the little creek down here. But I'm gonna take a rest day basically and kind of get, also get acclimated to the altitude because I still haven't been able to do that yet. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when the next episode of this trip comes out. And I will catch y'all on the next one.